ka jing angnut ki pait ba na ki khat artli ki snong khaput ki badon hakathain Ranibari ban yo no ya ka jaka sumar ka bapiang na ka banta ki pait ba kalawan ban ulong bat ka te ka dei hadin ba manta ka sni ka khat rutrik unaitung araja apsan uba sostena sotun u MLA ka jirang ula leiban pli pait ba no ya ka Ranibari sub center kabadon hakasnong Ranibari kabadai kasnong kabahab hajirang blok haba pli ya kate ka sub center laya sakhilang ro da ka jingedon lang ka kong birani ka ADC ka Ribohoi district ka AR Marak ka DM and HO Ribohoi district Dr. Kelungdo medical officer ka patar khma CIC kinong tre na ka Carona trust ki rangbas nong ka thain Ranibari lembat ki paitba nong snong ka Ranibari sub center kan ajing mentoy ki paitba ha ki khat art likisnong khaput ki badon ha ka thain Ranibari langba ka te ka sub center ki paitba ki basong ha ki te ki thain kinsuk ban leit ban sha sumar ha ka por ba ki pang bat ki sitom bat ki la lait ban leit ban sha sumar ser war mausau lane chedu pathar khma badru ban leit sha sumar ha ki jaka sumar ki badon ha ka liang Assam ya ka te ka sub center ha Ranibari on pyniaid daka Carona trust.
During the election campaign, all our leaders that are here, I hope they still remember that we kept this Ranibari sub-center as one of the main election campaign to complete. And today I'm very happy, and I would like to thank the NPP-led government under the leadership of Sir Conrad K. Sangma and Madam Dr. Ampreen Lingdo, who is the Health Minister. It is because of the leadership who knew each and every area, the needs of the people, be it health or be it the other departments, the PHE, the PWD, or any other departments. This government, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Sir Conrad K. Sangma, has done lots of development for the state of Meghalaya, especially for Jirang constituency. That's why we gathered here today with happiness, joy, together with the health department, to see that this building, this permanent building, just constructed right in the border with Assam. And I would like to tell in front of you all, my dear friends, sometimes you will see in the comments, you will see that certain people will say that this government has done nothing for the people who are residing in the border. This is wrong, I'll tell you. This is wrong. The NPP-led government, if we go, we take to roads, PWD, we take to health sector, water resource, PHE, sports, it has done a lot of development, especially with the border areas. So we stand here together to congratulate the government, to congratulate the health department, the DMHO, the medical officers in charge of Parakma, Warmausau, and all the health cares of Jirang constituency. We have to congratulate them because they work for the betterment of the people of our constituency.